Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the place where we celebrate the world's most fascinating, rare, and legendary automobiles. If you love classic cars, forgotten treasures, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting video. Today, we are exploring one of the most beautiful and mysterious automobiles ever created, the 1932 Bugatti Atlantic. This extraordinary machine represents the peak of automotive artistry and engineering, combining elegance, innovation, and exclusivity in a way few vehicles ever have. When discussing the greatest cars in history, the Bugatti Atlantic is always part of the conversation. Even decades after its creation, collectors, historians, and enthusiasts continue to admire its breathtaking design and remarkable craftsmanship. The Atlantic was not just a car, it was a statement of luxury, performance, and vision. The story begins with the brilliant Bugatti family. Founded by Ettore Bugatti, the company became famous for creating some of the finest automobiles in Europe. During the early 20th century, Bugatti vehicles were known for their engineering excellence and racing success. However, the Atlantic would take the company's reputation to an entirely new level. The Atlantic's design was inspired by an experimental concept known as the aerodynamic. This futuristic vehicle featured flowing curves, aerodynamic styling, and a distinctive central seam running from the front of the car to the rear. Because the lightweight alloy used in the prototype could not be welded using available technology, rivets were used to join the body panels. This unusual solution became one of the Atlantic's most recognizable features. At first glance, the Bugatti Atlantic looks unlike anything else from its era. The long hood, dramatic fenders, low roofline, and sculpted body create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Every curve appears carefully crafted by an artist rather than drawn by an engineer. Many automotive experts consider it one of the most beautiful vehicles ever produced. Beyond its appearance, the Atlantic was also remarkably advanced for its time. Under the hood was a powerful supercharged 8-cylinder engine capable of delivering impressive performance. In an era when many automobiles were still relatively slow, the Atlantic could achieve speeds that placed it among the fastest road cars of its generation. Luxury was another defining characteristic. The interior featured exquisite craftsmanship, premium materials, and attention to detail that reflected Bugatti's commitment to excellence. Every component was designed with precision, creating an environment that was both comfortable and sophisticated. Owners were not simply purchasing transportation, they were acquiring a masterpiece. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Bugatti Atlantic is its rarity. Only a handful were ever built, making it one of the most exclusive automobiles in history. Each example possessed unique details, and every surviving Atlantic has become a treasured piece of automotive heritage. Over the years, these rare vehicles have become some of the most valuable collector cars in the world. Whenever an Atlantic is displayed at a prestigious automotive event, it attracts enormous attention. Enthusiasts gather around it, admiring the remarkable design and appreciating the craftsmanship that has allowed it to remain iconic for generations. The Atlantic also carries an air of mystery. One of the original cars disappeared during the turmoil of World War II and has never been conclusively found. This missing example has become one of the greatest legends in automotive history. Many collectors dream that it may someday reappear, adding another chapter to the fascinating story of the Bugatti Atlantic. What makes this automobile truly special is its ability to transcend time. While technology has advanced dramatically since the 1930s, the Atlantic continues to inspire modern designers and engineers. Its flowing shape, innovative engineering, and artistic character remain relevant nearly a century later. Many modern hypercars emphasize speed and technology, but the Atlantic reminds us that automobiles can also be works of art. It demonstrates how creativity and craftsmanship can combine to produce something unforgettable. Few vehicles have managed to achieve such a perfect balance between performance and beauty. Today, the Bugatti name continues to represent excellence in the automotive world, producing some of the fastest and most luxurious vehicles ever built. Yet many enthusiasts believe the Atlantic remains the ultimate expression of the Bugatti philosophy. It symbolizes a time when imagination had few limits and when automotive design was driven by passion as much as performance. As we look back at the 1932 Bugatti Atlantic, we are reminded that some creations become more than machines. They become symbols of innovation, elegance, and human achievement. The Atlantic stands as a timeless masterpiece that continues to captivate anyone fortunate enough to see it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of one of the world's most legendary automobiles. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible classic cars, rare luxury vehicles, and fascinating automotive stories, please subscribe to Auto Luxury channel, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which classic automobile you would like us to feature next. Until next time, thank you for watching and keep your passion for automotive history alive.